Don't let the summer doldrums get you down. Come to the Ukrainian Folk Festival starting at 12 o'clock noon Sunday, August 25th in Horsham, where the stage is hot and the company is cool. There's something for everyone in the family. Balloons, cartoons, and face painting in our free kids' fun area. Plenty of delicious Ukrainian food and ice-cold beverages for everyone's taste. Start on your Christmas list in our Vendors Grove. Our stage features 2 exciting Ukrainian dance companies, live music, and fun for all ages. Kick up your feet during the show or at the dance afterwards with music and polka to rock and roll. Come out, join the fun. August 25th at Tryzub Ukrainian Sport Center, Lower State and County Line Roads in Horsham. Visit the website at tryzub.org. That's tryzub.org for all the details.